We're going to do a couple more examples of graphing piecewise functions. So we've got f of x equals x plus 2 if x is less than 0, and it equals x if x is greater than or equal to 0. Then we need to identify the domain and range. So first, we have two lines, two rows in our function, so we're going to make two tables. The first table is going to correspond with y equals x plus 2. The second table is going to correspond with y equals x. So back to the first table. We've got x plus 2 if x is less than 0. This number is where we're going to start first. X is less than 0. Then I need anything that's less than 0. We could do -2, we could do -4, you could do -8, anything smaller than 0. We're going to substitute those in. So 0 plus 2 is 2, -2 plus 2 is 0, -4 plus 2 is -2. Now we're going to figure out if we have any holes. It's strictly less than 0, so at 0, we're going to have that hole. We can plot the point 0, 2, there's a hole there, then -2, 0, and -4, -2. Rough sketch of that line, and we can move on to the next one. Now we want to be greater than or equal to 0, so again we're going to start with 0. Something bigger than 0, we could do 2 and 4. Again, anything that's bigger than 0 will be good here. Then here, y is equal to x. So whatever your x value is, your y value is going to be the exact same. And now we can plot. This time, it's greater than or equal to, so there's not going to be a hole. So we're at 0, 0. Then we got 2, 2, 4, 4. There's that line. Now we need our domain and range. The domain is all the x values, so we're going to go from left to right. We have this arrow pointing to the left forever, so we're going to start at -infinity. We're going to go until we get to our hole, but then, so that's at 0, but then at 0 and on the other line, it's a filled-in circle, so we can include that, and then keep on going. Everything is included here, so we're going towards positive infinity. For our range, we have an arrow pointing downward, so we're starting at -infinity. Then notice here, once we get to the x-axis, there's some overlap in the y values between the two lines. So we can just kind of gradually make our way over to the other line, because everything in between here for our y values is all included. We can include the y value of 0, 0.1, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, everything going on up. So we didn't have to make any jumps, so our range here is from -infinity to infinity.